If you want to install varying rebars, you have to follow these steps. First of all, you have to select the structure, then click on Rebar, click OK in this tab. Now you have to place the reinforcements. So we want to install near cover reference and we want to place the reinforcement in parallel to work plane. Now go inside this structure and you can see the reinforcement. We have to place the reinforcement somewhere in our drawing and then hit escape key a couple of times. Now you have to select this rebar and set the layout rule. You have to select maximum spacing. Now select the reinforcement and from these grip arrows drag it all the way to the other side of structure. As you can see, the reinforcements are outside of this host. We have to select the reinforcements and then click on varying rebar set. As you can see, all the variable rebars are placed. Go to 3D view and you can see now you have to select the reinforcements and click on rebar shapes and you can set the rebar shape which will suit to your structure. Let's select rebar shape number 2 and you can see reinforcements are placed. All these reinforcement bars are variable as per size of our structure. I hope you learned from this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.